Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 1.55% to 26,159.36 compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.77% to 1,645.66, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.6% to 216.5.
Latest news.
CFTC charges 3 DeFi operations with illegal derivatives trading. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has charged 3 decentralized finance, DeFi, operations with offering illegal derivatives trading. The companies, OPIN, Inc., 0x, 0x, Inc., and Deridex, Inc., are accused of using blockchain-based protocols and smart contracts to function as trading platforms. The CFTC is ordering the companies to cease activity and pay penalties of $250,000, Hunyuan, and $100,000, respectively. The companies agreed to these terms to settle the charges. The CFTC Director of Enforcement Ian McGinley stated that unlawful transactions do not become lawful when facilitated by smart contracts. The companies are accused of illegally offering leveraged and margined retail commodity transactions using digital assets. The companies and 0x, known for its 0x protocol, were said to have cooperating in the investigation and received a reduced financial penalty. One CFTC commissioner dissented in the enforcement vote, expressing concern that the commission is taking another step down the path of bringing enforcement actions when they should be engaging with the public. CFTC commissioner proposes limited pilot program for crypto regulation. Caroline Pham, commissioner of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, suggests a limited pilot program for digital asset markets. Pham claims the U.S. may need to play catch-up to crypto-friendly jurisdictions, and suggests the program be similar to regulatory sandboxes previously introduced at the state level. The program would gather data and develop a pragmatic approach to tokenization. Pham calls for a stakeholder roundtable and for the CFTC to propose and adopt rules on the risks of crypto based on previous pilot programs. The proposed pilot program comes after lawmakers attempt to clarify roles of CFTC and Securities and Exchange Commission on crypto regulation. JPMorgan develops blockchain-based deposit token for cross-border transactions. JPMorgan is developing a blockchain-based deposit token for cross-border transactions. The solution is awaiting regulatory approval in the United States. The new deposit token will enable transactions with other banks and is suitable for various forms of settlements on the blockchain, including tokenized securities trades. The deposit token shares some similarities with JPMorgan Coin in terms of compliance, but it also increases competition for stablecoin issuers. PayPal recently launched its stablecoin, PIAST, to facilitate faster settlements. FBI links North Korea's Lazarus group to $4 million crypto casino hack. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, has identified North Korea-linked hacker collective Lazarus group as the perpetrator of the recent hack of crypto casino and betting platform Stake.com. The group stole $41 million in various cryptocurrencies, and the FBI warns the public about the ongoing threat state-sponsored hackers pose to the entire crypto industry. The Lazarus group, also known as APT38, has been connected to hundreds of millions of dollars in stolen crypto through attacks on companies, exchanges, DeFi protocols, and bridges. Earlier this summer, GitHub warned of North Korean hackers conducting low-level social engineering campaigns against employees of crypto, blockchain, and gambling-related companies. The FBI has also alleged that Lazarus was behind last year's hack of the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge, which resulted in over $1 million worth of crypto being lost. Bank for International Settlements Bulletin highlights Oracle problem in DeFi adoption. A recent study by the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, has identified the need for oracles in decentralized finance, DeFi, as a major obstacle to real-world adoption. The authors of the study argue that while decentralizing an oracle could involve verification, a reputational system, and multiple sources, the complexity and efficiency of the system would still persist. The anonymous nature of DeFi makes it difficult to identify bad actors in cases of oracle manipulation, and increased regulation and supervision would run counter to the decentralization ethos underpinning crypto DeFi. The study also notes that Chainlink, a company that provides information to DeFi protocols, claims to have developed a network of decentralized oracle networks with security measures tailored to each use case. But Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol still relies on the Swift network's centralized messaging infrastructure to connect with clients. Hackers use Windows tool to drop crypto mining malware. Cisco's Telos Intelligence has revealed that hackers are using Windows Advanced Installer to drop cryptocurrency mining malware on infected machines. The malware is primarily used for 3D modeling and graphic design, with most of the affected software installers written in French. The attackers are targeting users in France and Switzerland, with a few infections reported in other countries. The illicit crypto mining campaign involves deploying malicious PowerShell and Windows batch scripts to establish a backdoor in the victim's machine and execute additional threats such as Phoenix Miner and LL Miner, which are multi-coin mining malware. The practice of cryptojacking, where the attacker installs a crypto mining code on a device without the user's knowledge or permission, is also revealed. The malware can be signs of mining activity, such as overheating and poorly performing devices. FBI identifies North Korean Lazarus group as perpetrators of 41 million crypto gambling site hack. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, has identified the North Korean Lazarus group as the culprits behind the 41 million hack of crypto gambling site Stake. The group has stolen over 40 million worth of cryptocurrency in Chainlink alone. The FBI recommended that all crypto protocols and businesses review the addresses used in the hack and avoid transacting with them. The group is also responsible for the AlphaPo, CoinsPaid, and Atomic Wallet hacks. U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau chair warns of big tech's influence on payment infrastructure. Rohit Chopra, chair of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, expresses concerns about big businesses imposing their own rules on payment infrastructure. He believes that big tech companies have entered the payments ecosystem to deepen consumer engagement, harvest and potentially monetize transactions-related data, and exploit traditional financial sector fee streams. Chopra cited Apple and Google's dominance in mobile payments as an example of hindrances to the technology. The CFPB will propose rules to give consumers more rights over their personal financial data in October. Chainlink sharks accumulate $9.6 M worth of link in 7 days. Chainlink has seen a significant increase in the number of wallets holding K of its native token, Link, over the past months. Despite a 4% drop in the token's value, market intelligence platform Sentiment reports that the sharp tier of Link investors has been accumulating coins. There has been an increase of 95 new Chainlink wallets holding between K Link tokens since September 3rd, representing a growth of more than 3.2%. The global financial messaging network Swift announced the successful transfer of tokenized value across multiple private and public blockchains in experiments alongside Chainlink. Chainlink has also tapped the Coinbase incubated Layer 2 network base to expand its integrations to a total of 12 blockchains. Tencent unveils Hunyuan AI system, a multimodal large language model. Tencent's Hunyuan AI system is a multimodal large language model similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT, and has been introduced at the Global Digital Ecosystem Summit in Shenzhen on August 7th. Hunyuan is designed to function as a comprehensive suite of AI tools, supporting a wide array of functions such as image creation, copywriting, text recognition, and customer service. The AI system is expected to be instrumental in key industries like finance, public services, social media, e-commerce, transportation, and games. Hunyuan has been integrated into Tencent's ecosystem of applications and services, with connectivity to Tencent Cloud, Tencent Marketing Solutions, Tencent Games, Tencent FinTech Services, Tencent Meeting, Tencent Docs, Weixin Search, and QQ Browser. The launch comes amid ongoing tensions between the US and China, following the Biden administration's export ban on certain types of computer chips, including hardware commonly used to develop and train AI systems. Despite ongoing diplomatic talks, the two administrations have not yet established a timeline for ending the ban. Tencent claims that the launch of Hunyuan demonstrates its commitment to open collaboration in the ecosystem, with domestic businesses benefiting from the company's high-quality model services, while international businesses leverage Tencent to access the Chinese market. The AI system is considered one of the most powerful LLMs in the world, with 100 billion parameters and 2 trillion tokens. However, parameter and token counts are not necessarily indicative of a multimodal AI system's capabilities. California judge rejects lawsuit against Curve Finance CEO. A lawsuit against Curve Finance by three venture capital firms, Purify Capital, Framework Ventures, and 1KX, has been rejected by a California judge. The firms accused Michael Egorov, the CEO of Curve Finance, of defrauding them out of nearly $1 million in funds and misappropriating trade secrets. Egorov has moved to Switzerland to protect himself from legal consequences, but the court did not dismiss the case on its merits. Curve Finance is a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum blockchain and has a total locked value of $4.0 billion according to DeFi Llama. UK's FCA extends deadline for crypto firms to comply with marketing rules. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK has reiterated its warning for crypto asset firms marketing to users in the country. However, the FCA has added that companies could have more time to implement certain changes if granted approval. The FCA announced rules aimed at curbing aggressive marketing by crypto firms in June, requiring companies to provide clear, fair and not misleading ads or risk criminal charges. The FCA Consumer Investments Director Lucy Castledine emphasized that crypto firms must market to UK consumers clearly, fairly, and honestly, and provide risk warnings people understand. The FCA also clarified that promotions falling under the compliance regime include websites, mobile apps, social media posts, and online advertising, which are capable of having effect in the UK and not limited to firms based in the country. Companies must register with the regulator to carry out crypto asset activities in the UK. The FCA lists 42 registered crypto firms in compliance with its requirements.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.